Oh, wow. Thank you for that wonderful question. Well, how should I say it? What was the first question po? Sorry?
Yung challenges mo.
The challenge, okay. The challenges
being
po. Stick to that
first-time
first.
congressman.
Yes po. Challenges, of course, a lot po, a lot. Of course, discovering the whole place. More problems and problems come along. No? For temporary, you have temporary solutions. You have permanent solutions that you have to apply to the district itself, to the people, things that you discover in and out of the government, how it really works, different agencies to talk to, iba't ibang ahensya, no? And besides that, not only yung trabaho, but of course, your legislative agendas, your legislative responsibility as well. So, being a congressman, there are two things, no? Your groundwork to the people, and of course, yung mga isa sa batas nyo, no? Bilang isang kongreso. And what made it challenging, of course, is, of course, the dami din po ng batas, no? Sometimes you can't please everyone, no? There's no perfect bill, there's no perfect nothing. So you can't please everyone, but rest assured, no? As we go on and we learn, especially for the young ones, all these bills existing, no? Like the Eddie Garcia bill and all this stuff, have already existed from the past that we just had to revive, no? And that was between me and Kong Tof De Venecia, our chairman for the creative industries, and all these things, no? You get to learn more of how to explore like ways and innovative ways of changing. Because sometimes po may mga batas na rin po na existing, it's just that it's not modernized up to this day. No? And there's so much more to tackle, there's so much more to tell you. No? But definitely, made it challenging are all the new things that I've discovered, no, along the way of how to help people, how the long process goes, and all these things. But every challenge was accepted. We went through it. We talked to who we had to talk to. We obeyed on rules depending on who agency to talk to. So we were very blessed to be held by each and every one. And it turned out to be easier din po because, to be honest, that sitting administration, no, with President Bongbong